Welcome to my channel. Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 Router Setup Guide, 2026, Complete Installation Tutorial. Step 1. Unbox your equipment. Remove the Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router, modem, if included, power adapters, and Ethernet cable from the box. Verify that all accessories are present. Step 2. Choose the best router location. Place the router in a central, open area of your home. Keep it away from microwaves, TVs, thick walls, and metal objects for better Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Connect the modem. Attach the coax cable from the wall outlet to the modem and plug in the modem's power adapter. Wait until the online light becomes stable. Step 4. Connect the router to the modem. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the modem's Ethernet port to the router's WAN/Internet port. Step 5. Power on the router. Plug the router into a power outlet and turn it on. Allow several minutes for the device to boot completely. A solid blue light typically indicates a successful connection. Step 6. Download the MySpectrum app. Install the MySpectrum app on your smartphone by scanning the QR code on the router or downloading it from your app store. Step 7. Sign in and activate. Log in with your Spectrum account credentials and follow the app instructions to activate your Wi-Fi 7 router. Step 8. Create your Wi-Fi network. Set a custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password. Use a unique password containing letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 9. Connect your devices. Join the new Wi-Fi network on your phones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, printers, and other devices using the password you created. Step 10. Test and optimize. Open a website or run a speed test to confirm internet access. If coverage is weak in some rooms, consider repositioning the router or adding a Wi-Fi extender. Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 routers support WPA3 security and can handle hundreds of connected devices. Thanks for watching.